Hello everyone! This equipment behind me is for the production of disposable slippers, which are widely used in hospitals, hotels, massage places, bath centers, and many other places. Through the combination of ultrasonic technology and automatic control components, the product can execute full automatic production. Product size and shape can be customized according to needs, and personalized patterns and logos can be printed to meet different requests. By connecting the packaging machine, the finished product is automatically detected to supply the package for the slippers. Fully automatic production, effectively reducing labor costs, is the first choice for high efficiency and high quality production.